What are some common terms on a ketogenic diet? Do you have a keto glossary? So below are some of the more common terms and abbreviations used in the keto community. So AS stands for artificial sweetener, LCHF, which is a diet that is low in carbs and high in fat, or low carb, high fat, HWC, which is heavy whipping cream, a common ingredient on a keto diet, WOE stands for way of eating, a term used to reference your own diet. BPC is bulletproof coffee, also known as keto coffee, which is blended with fat into a creamy consistency, and it typically consists of MCT oil and ghee or grass-fed butter. IR is insulin resistance, and this happens when your body doesn't want to respond to the insulin hormone and take sugar from the blood into the cells. And this is often a precursor to diabetes, as the body is trying to protect the cells from the high blood sugar. MCT stands for medium chain triglyceride, which is a type of fat that is more easily used by the brain and rapidly converted into ketones, and MCTs come from coconut oil. It is typically the medium chain, and C8 and C10 are considered the more desirable chains. SF is sugar-free. BHB is called beta-hydroxybutyrate, and it's a type of synthesized or artificial ketone that is found in many exogenous ketone supplements on the market. SFA is saturated fats, which are the most stable form of fat. They have the highest smoke point, so most cooking oils such as olive oil, coconut oil, MCT oil, and butter are pure saturated fat. Most of your fats on keto should come from saturated fats and monounsaturated fats. MUFA is monounsaturated fats, also known as omega-9, and they're found in avocados and macadamias and have been known to prevent heart disease. We highly recommend monounsaturated fats on a keto diet. PUFA is polyunsaturated fats, and these are omega-3s and omega-6 fatty acids. And they're really essential, however, most Western diets already contain a lot of polyunsaturated fats.